ringing, buzzing and annoying sounds in your ears. There are a lot more people becoming conscious of whether or not they have any kind of symptoms that other people don't have. Tinnitus is one condition that the medical community and general public are more aware of now. Tinnitus is where you hear ringing noises in your ear. Check this video out if you have this issue. Talk to your doctor about getting a blood test to check your zinc level. In people with low levels, zinc supplements have been shown to help many with their tinnitus. High levels of zinc supplements must be monitored by a doctor, so do not take or increase zinc supplements without the advice of a physician. Seek advice from a doctor if you are suffering from tinnitus. Tinnitus is likely a sign of a different problem that will likely need treatment from a professional. Chronic tinnitus can also be stressful and make it hard to enjoy a normal day. Tinnitus is unlikely to be deadly, but the benefit of seeing a doctor is that it may be treatable. Don't let tinnitus ear noise keep you from sleeping. Purchase a white noise generator for your bedside nightstand, and leave it on for the entire night. If you pay attention to your tinnitus, it seems to get louder. The sound of the white noise can help to alleviate the noise in your head and will allow you to fall asleep. If you suffer from tinnitus, make sure you wear earplugs while swimming. Water can enter your ears when you swim, and that can make tinnitus symptoms worse. It is also a good idea to use earplugs while showering. There are many herbal remedies which can make tinnitus symptoms reduce to the point that you will forget you have it. Examples are bayberry bark, golden seal, hawthorn leaf, and myrrh gum. Burdock root is my personal favorite and has given me many years of total relief, sparing me from going crazy in a silent room. Having gentle white noise can help you fall asleep when you have tinnitus, but loud noise can sometimes make your situation worse. Keeping earplugs with you when you travel can help you fall asleep without being kept awake by the parties in the next room or other noisy annoyances. Now that you know what tinnitus really is, you are probably aware whether you have it or not. If you are concerned about your symptoms, you should set an appointment to meet with a physician. Your doctor can help you to identify the problem and move forward with treatment. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.